Hey guys, welcome back. So here in this tutorial we're going to learn a little bit about linear layout. So you can just open bracket and type linear. Okay, click the first one, linear layout. Alright, so we're going to match the parent, match the width of the screen. So click match. Alright, wrap content. Okay, and we're going to put the closing brackets of this linear layout inside of this image and edit text view. So we want the image and edit text view to be inside this linear layout. So like so, okay, and to align everything, just hold Control Alternate and click L. As you can see now, it's been aligned nicely. All right, so for the image to be right now the image is on the left of the text view. All right, for it to be aligned vertically, meaning the image on top and the text below, you can just in the linear layout type orientation. All right, select the first one. Okay, and click vertical. So now as you can see, the image and text views are aligned vertically. So that's how you change the order of the image. How you change the order in the linear layout, right? So, yep. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi guys, welcome back to the next part of this Android Studios tutorial. So in this part we're going to learn more about the linear layout and how to manipulate the elements inside the linear layout. So let's say I wanted to, okay, let's just make this entire linear layout fill the width of the screen first. So the height of the screen, sorry. So I copy match parent and I paste it here. Okay, so now it matches the entire length of the screen. So let's say I wanted this image to be aligned at the bottom. So you can use the attribute gravity. Alright, whoops. You can use the attribute gravity. So enter, type gravity. As you can see in the first one, it says layout gravity. Okay, double click on that. And you can choose where you want this image to be. Do you want it to be aligned at the bottom, center, top, left? It's all here. Okay, so let's say I wanted it to be aligned at the bottom. I can double click on bottom. Alright, as you see, the image has not moved to the bottom. That's because the orientation here in the linear layout is vertical. In order to change this image to the bottom, you need to remove this orientation of vertical. So delete that, and you can see now the image has moved to the bottom. Yep. So that's how you move these elements here in linear layout. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last part we learned about how to align the elements in the linear layout. So in this part I just want to talk a little bit about the orientation of linear layout. In a linear layout, the orientation, okay, there are two types of orientation, which is horizontal and vertical. Alright, so if your elements are vertical, they will appear in the order in which these elements are coded in the hardcode. So what do I mean by that? If the image is on top, then it will be on top. If I move the image to the bottom, okay, and the edit text on top here, if I put the image below, then the orientation will change. So vertical, it means vertically. So if I add another element, say I put in one more edit text below the image, you'd find that it's below here. Yep. So as you can see, that's how the linear layout orientation works. It's really quite different from the relative layout, where everything is relative to each other. Here in the linear layout, there's only really vertical and horizontal. So horizontally means it will be displayed one after the other. So let's do that. As you can see, the image, the first edit text, and then followed by the image, and then followed by the next edit text here on the left. Yep. So there's an error coming up because by right edit text, all elements in the XML should have a unique ID. So yeah, as you can see here, they don't have unique ID. So yeah, see you guys in the next part. Hi guys, welcome back. So here in this part, we're gonna learn a little bit about how to tweak this bar here on top. Okay, so where this bar is located. So this bar is actually, you can find it here under values, okay, under styles. Alright, double click on this. Okay, so if I wanted this bar, whoops, a bit slow. Oops. Yep, sorry, my comment's lagging. So here, if I wanted this to change this top bar here, alright, I can click under styles, and let's say I wanted it to disappear. I can just click I can just type no. Whoops. No. As you can see, you type no, and down here comes up no action bar. So double click on this. Alright. As you can see now, the top bar is gone. Okay. If say you wanted to, whoops. If you wanted it to be back, you can just type dark. If you wanted it to come back, you can just type dark. Okay, and you can see dark. And sorry, it's a bit slow. Whoops. Yeah, if you wanted it to come back, you can just type this in, and it would come back up. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you remove and add this top action bar. In the next tutorial, I'll cover on how to change the color and the text here. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last tutorial, we covered how to change the how to make this bar disappear. Now in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to change the color of this bar. So you can click under here, styles, value, styles, open up styles. Okay, under this first one, okay, just type in the color code that you want. Okay, so let's say I wanted to change it to black. I can change it like so, and yep, and so now the color has changed. Okay, say I wanted to change a different color, I can always go to grab it from Google. Oops. Color codes. Oops. All color codes. Okay, and I can just select the color code I want. Say I want it to be red. Alright, and I can just copy this. Oops. And just stick it in here, and now my action bar has changed color to red. Yep, so that's how you change the action bar color. So yep, this is called an action bar. In next tutorial, we'll learn how to change the status bar color and how to change the text here on the right. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how to change the top status bar, the status bar here, the color here. So you just click styles. Okay, under here, styles. Okay, and under the this second one, alright, you can change the color by entering the color code here. Okay, so if I wanted to change it to black, I can just key it as such, and now the color at the top here is now black. Okay, so if I wanted it to be white, I can change it like so. And oops, although the color is not reflected here, but when you run your Android app, it will be seen, okay, as a different color. Okay, so let me just try. Yeah, so although you cannot really see the change in color here, but when you run your Android device, run your application on your Android device or an emulator, you will see that change. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi guys, welcome to the next part of this Android Studios tutorial. So in this part, we'll learn how to change the color of this background, okay, here on the app for the users. So all you have to do is type background, okay, press enter, and you can select you can bring in a new image, okay, from your desktop. Okay, for example, say you want to bring in this image. Okay, you just copy. Alright, copy. Alright, make sure your image is smaller than 1 megabyte. Okay, if your image is larger than 1 megabyte, it will not import into Android Studios. Okay, and then you just have to paste the image here inside the drawables. okay, click OK, and you can name it whatever you want, okay, but make sure that all your characters that you name it in are in small letter, okay, they must be in small letter, no numbers, no capital letters, no symbols, nothing, okay, all in small letters and small letters only, okay. And then after that, once you paste it in, you can now use that image as the background. So let's say I wanted to change the entire background to the image of the screenshot, okay, screenshot. So it's here under drawable screenshot. Double click on this. You can see now the background has taken that. Yeah. So that's how you change the background of the entire layout. Okay. If you wanted to change the color of the background, okay, you can just go to Google and pick the color code. Oops. All color codes here, and really just pick the color code here, okay, grab the hex serial number and you just stick it into here. Alright, as you can see now the background has taken that color. Yep, so that's how you change the image and background color of the entire layout here in Android Studios. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi guys, and welcome back to the next Android Studios tutorial. So right now my theme of my Android Studios is black, okay, so if you wanted to change the color of this entire Android Studios theme, I think the initial color when you download Android Studios it's in white, okay, so if you wanted to change this theme you can click here, file, click under settings, okay, click under editor, okay, and open up give me a minute. Under color schemes, color schemes, and then select Dracula, okay, so that would change the entire theme to the same as mine, black, okay. I think it's a lot better in black because it's a lot less painful for the eyes as well, and white is very bright, so yeah, you guys can do that, okay. So I've already changed mine, so I'm not be doing that, okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the next tutorial, and here in this tutorial we'll learn a little bit about the files here on the left, okay, all about the resource folder. So here in the resource folder we have three common files, three files that we use very commonly here in the drawable, okay. Here is where you paste all your images, okay, here inside the drawable folder. Any image you have, you can paste it here, but make sure that all your images must be in small letters, okay, and it's only letters, okay, no numbers, no symbols, all in small letters and small letters only, okay. Make sure your images is also less than 1 megabyte, okay. So that's the drawable folder, okay. You can see the images by double clicking on them, okay. And next we have the layout folder. So here in the layout folder is where your XML file is stored, okay. Your XML file is the file that helps to display the image, the user interface to the user, alright, when they launch your app, okay. So here's where the XML file is hidden, okay. When you have more than one page in your app, okay, maybe you click and then it goes to another page, there will be more XML pages here, okay. So XML is really to design your user interface, okay. It is a XML is a language on its own, okay. It's actually an extension of HTML, okay. Yeah, so this is about the layout file, alright. And here in Mipmaps, we don't use this file commonly, so I will not go through what this is. And here in values, you have colors, strings, and styles. Alright, so here in values, we commonly use the colors and the styles. In fact, actually, we use all three files. Yeah, so I'll be going through what these three files are in the next video. Hi guys, welcome to the next part of this Android Studios tutorial. So here, previously we mentioned we'll cover what's this. So here in values, you have three main files that we use. Okay, they're all in XML. Alright, so first one in colors. So colors is where you can add colors into Android Studios. So what do I mean by that? Okay, let's try and add a color. So let's say I wanted to add the color black into Android Studios. So I can copy this, okay, copy, and paste it by pressing Ctrl V, or you can select paste. Okay, and you can name your color whatever color it is. Let's say I wanted to bring in the color black, right? So I can type black, right? And I have to change this color code to the color code of black. So how do I know the color code of black? I can refer to my best friend Google. Right, and you go all color codes. Let's go. Okay, so select this, and you can select your favorite color code here, black. Alright, so copy. Right, here's the color code, copy this, Control C, and you can stick it in here. Right, replace this, Control V, and there you have it. Nicely done. So now you can add black into your background or wherever in your XML page. So essentially you can type in the color code here as well, but now with the importing of this color, okay, you don't have to do that anymore. You can just type the color black and it will come up here, and you can type and double click on this. Okay, now this is all black. Okay, so you can use this all throughout your entire files, all your files. Okay, so if I wanted to change the button to black as well, I can do it. Background, now so black comes up as an option because I've added it here. Okay, so you can double click on this, and now the bottom is black as well, so you can really see. Yeah, but that's how you do it. So yeah, that's how you change colors. Okay, see you guys in the next video.